Yo, what the fuck is it gonna take to get rid of this bitch? You can't get rid of me, bitch.
Back and forth with no broke ass bitch. And that song that you like, I probably wrote that shit. You know that's it. More fire, hot like Naya. Whole lot of juice, I'm the plug in the wire.
Well, hello, and welcome back to my Indigo Mind. This is your host, Tyshana, and today we are going to be talking about my jazzy life. So let's get right into this video. Well, darling, everyone was running around asking where's Jasmine, and she's finally, put up a live, trying to fill everybody in on what's going on. So supposedly she has the seed, okay? And she looked sick and she sounded sick. And from what she was saying, all the children were sick. And Chris was trying to keep from getting sick, but most likely he's already got it because they said it's highly contagious. You know what I'm saying? I mean, more contagious than even the common cold. So most likely he has it already. The fact that she's sick, I just want to say, I'm sending you all my prayers and all my love for that baby. And I hope that the other kids and everything, they recover well. They are in my prayers. I hope that, there are no complications with the baby. Lord God, please cover her and protect her. But I do want to say this. Jasmine has not been cautionary in this whole situation. She hasn't used caution at all. You barely see her in a mask. The kids, they always out and about doing something around somebody. And I feel like, yes, she could have been more vigilant when it came to this. You know what I'm saying? I feel like when it all boils down to it, that when they get better, that she needs to be more vigilant with her children, her cleanliness, washing her hands, teaching them how to wash their hands, and stay away from people, honey. I mean, because you're so worried about everything else instead of the important shit. And that's the main thing that we've been trying to get through your head. Oh, he's been doing everything, taking care of you and the kids as he should. You know what I'm saying? That's just normal. When you're the one that's not sick, yes, it's going to be your duty. Now, as far as her giving birth, I think that she needs to be more mindful of the fact that there is a whole newborn about to come home. Do you know how scary it is already for a toddler or school-age child to get sick? It's fucking heart-wrenching. Now think about that with a newborn, God forbid. You know what I'm saying? You need to start now. Before that baby takes its first breath, before that baby even reaches home, you need to clean that home down. Down. I'm talking about from top to bottom. Wash all the sheets, the towels, the washcloths, spray the air with Lysol, everything before that baby woke up in your honey. Because viruses linger. They linger. Okay? And I doubt that you walk around wiping your doorknobs down in your house. You just don't seem like that type to me. That would be extra vigilant when it comes to those things, your front doorknob and all of the things. So, oh Lord, I hope that you are vigilant, and I hope that what people are saying as far as them praying for you and things like that aren't falling on deaf ears, and you're actually taking it and receiving it, because I'm sure you could, use all the prayers you need right now. Like, I mean, besides, between losing all your friends and family not being there for you, and you being depressed because your other kids don't listen, baby, I don't know how you do it, okay? Because, no ma'am. And then not having a dependable man on my side, oh my God, because ain't no way he dependable and you doing everything. Pregnant as fuck, bringing in groceries. Pregnant as fuck, making all the calls, going out to get everything that y'all need for the house. And I ain't got time. You always talk about I'm paying bills. Why you not somewhere paying bills? Huh? Don't he got the steady paycheck? What is it, every 2 weeks, bi-weekly or weekly? Which one? Because you got a lot on your plate while he running around here looking like he ain't got a care in the motherfucking world. He ain't got to do nothing. He don't really got to do nothing. All he got to do is sit around there, dick you down every now and then. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. So I do hope that when that baby gets home, that he actually helps. And not just sitting there looking stupid. Okay? For your sake, I hope that he actually mans up and do what he's supposed to do by his seed. Finally. Because he ain't doing nothing by the ones that's here already. Baby. When I tell you laughable. I don't take this man serious at all. Nothing about him screams manly. Nothing about him screams leader. Nothing about him screams dad. Nothing. Okay? Y'all can take that how you want. Doesn't bother me, honey, because I'ma still feel the way I feel. But you can dislike, honey, still do the same for me. But if you like this video, please thumbs up, honey. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell and set it to all so you know when I post. Also, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, okay, please be sure to drop those purple hearts down in the comments so I know it's real. And yeah, so like I said, I got to go. Later for now. Bye.
Yo, what the fuck is it gonna take to get rid of this bitch? You can't get rid of me, bitch.
Back and forth with no broke ass bitch. And that song that you like, I probably wrote that shit. You know that's it. More fire, hot like Naya. Whole lot of juice, I'm the plug in the wire. Hold